Hello, welcome to our Indian adventures. Today we are going to install the Hardstreet Saddlebag finisher kit to the Indian Challenger. Now, each piece is numbered, but we're not going to follow the numbering because we already did it to the other side and we have a better idea. So, let's get started. We previously installed the shelf kit on the bike, so that's why you already see these pieces here. You have to take the shelf off to install the finisher kit. Number 4 goes right here, this side. So and that's number 4. Next, we are going to do number 6, which goes this side. So it will be like this. Like that. Let's take it off. And right there. The number 1 goes right here, this side. See, there's notches, it goes right there. So, let's take it off. Seven and 8 basically goes this way and this way. piece is number 9, which goes right there. So let's see. Number 2 and number 3 right here on the side, like that. In case you guys are wondering what is this silver thing that's already on the saddlebag, it's actually called a roadkill, which was our setup for the speaker system that we had before. And then this part here. And voila, that's all the pieces that we have. I know that it looks like there is a space here that doesn't look like it has any covering, but that would go under the shelf. And like that. Last but not the least is the Hardstreet sticker. Goes right there. There you go. It does make it a lot neater and easier for things to organize. I hope you can see what it would look like in your saddlebag if you ever so choose to put it in, and how easy it is to install. Till next time, thank you for watching.